Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. This video will be a hair review on this gorgeous hair honey from Perstar, a vendor from Amazon Prime. Yes, Amazon Prime. And I will also be showing you how to customize this wig straight out the box. So stay tuned guys, and I hope you enjoy. Okay, so first things first, let's go ahead and get into the unboxing. As I said, this hair came from Amazon Prime. The vendor is called Perstar. It came with this little container, I don't know what that's for, and some lashes. So as I take the hair out, I want y'all to see the luster and look how shiny it is. And it came out the box already gorgeous. Like, it was ready to be slayed. It's ready to be slayed. Just look at that. Look at that. The wave pattern. And it waves just like that when it's wet. It actually gets fuller though. So I've gone ahead and put the wig on my head just to show you what it looks like straight out the box put onto your head. As you see, it's very wavy, it's shiny, it's soft. Now let's look at this hairline though. The hairline we definitely need work on, but don't worry, we're gonna get it right in this video. But do you see why we have to customize it after coming out the box? This is why. So we're gonna bleach the knots and I'm gonna show you how to pluck it and everything. All right, for starters, I turn my wig inside out so it's ready to be bleached. I have my mixing bowl ready. I'll be using this. This takes out the brassiness. This is the bleach I'll be using, and I'm using 40 Developer by Clairol. So basically, you're gonna need like a scoop and a half of the bleach. That's really about it. Anymore, you're gonna have extra. You're gonna have extra anyway with the scoop and a half. So, but that's really all you need. Then, as far as how much of the developer I use, I don't know. As you're about to see, I just really just pour it in there, and I want like a sour cream type of consistency, that thick, you know. So you just stir it up until you get it there. And then I'm gonna add in the red. It's called Unred. And this basically, it takes out the brassiness when you bleach the hair, so it will give you such a natural looking part. And then we just stir that together until you get, like, you see it's purple. It's gonna turn a darker purple. It's gonna be like an illy color, but the color doesn't matter. What matters is that it gets the job done. And it definitely does. So part of the video got cut off, but basically with this part, you just take the bleach and you're just gonna smooth it on, like kind of tap it, but at the same time smoothing it. And this is why you want it thick, because if it's runny, it will seep through and your whole wig will be bleached. So you wanna make sure that your bleach is thick, like sour cream consistency thick, so it doesn't seep through. And I'm gonna put aluminum foil on that, and I'm just gonna let that sit for about like 15, 20 minutes. But you wanna keep checking on it though. Now here, nothing special, going ahead and washing the bleach out. As you see, I'm washing it straight from the lace. I'm using a neutralizing shampoo, and then of course after that I'll condition it, and yeah. We all know how to wash hair, right? It's very simple, like I said. And I am washing the whole hair. That's one thing I love to do when I first get hair. I don't like to just put it on and wear it straight out of the bag. I have to wash it. Well, I bleach the knots anyway, so it's like, why just wash the top? Wash the whole thing. Now that we got this baby all washed, look at that part. Yes, baby, that's why it's so important to use that unred. Look at that. Perfectly, came out perfectly. Now on to the plucking process. Now with this process, everybody has their own way of plucking. Me, I just put the mannequin in my lap, I hold the wig, and I just pluck, baby. I just start pulling, as you see from the sides, and just start going until I see it get thinner. Everybody has their own specific way. Some people part and do it and take all that time. No, honey, I go all the way around, just plucking it out. So I'm slowing it down right here so you can see how I'm plucking it. Like I said, I'm just taking the tweezers and literally plucking those little pieces out one by one. Normally it would take like an hour if I was to part it and all that, or if I wanted my lace thinner, it would take an hour. But when I do it like this, because I don't want it that thin, it takes about 30 minutes. Oh, right now we got baby girl all plucked and ready. We gonna use this mousse. We gonna put on the edges. That's just to smooth out the flyaways and everything. But wait till you see. Look, watch this. You see how the mousse just like makes it so much better, makes it look so much more natural. You can see how the edges are. I'm gonna take my brush and just brush that out. And then after this process, I'm gonna let the mousse sit there and dry, and then cut the lace off and put it on my head. So I have gone ahead and installed the wig. If you wanted to see how I did that, I have a video already showing you how to install the wig. I just did, instead of using the spritz, the got to be spritz, I used the glue, which I'm gonna talk about in a second. But about this hair, I'm sure you saw it enough in the video, Perstar, this is actually a vendor from Amazon Prime. Yes, you heard me correctly. And look, it's very good. Like, very good. It's 20 inches. I love it. And as you see, it bleaches good, because that part, I didn't put no makeup on my part. This is all bleached. Body wave hair. I straightened it. But my whole thoughts on the hair, all in all, I give it 5 stars. And I would definitely recommend getting it. The density is, 140%, which for me, that works because it's straight hair, and that's how I like my straight hair. When I do curly hair, that's when I want like a 250% density, but not for my straight hair or body wave hair. So yeah, so all the details will be below about the hair. So what did I use to glue it down? I've been using the Got To Be spritz, and yeah, when I sweat, work out for me. It's like, so, you know, when I'm exercising, I'm sweating. If I'm in a club and I'm sweating, it literally lifts right up. So I had to find something for that. And I'm gonna see. I can't get my room right now. This is what I used to put the wig on with, so I'm gonna see how well it works. It definitely has it down. It's on there, on there tight too. So it's supposed to last for 24 hours. This is the firm. They have 2, firm and then the absolute. The absolute, they say, lasts for 2 to 3 weeks. This one lasts for 24 hours. I got this one because I'll be ready to take my wig off in probably like 2 days. So that works for me. And it's water resistant. Waterproof, water resistant, same thing. So meaning that when I sweat, it should not lift. So I'm gonna come back in 2 days and do a review on the whole product and let you know. This is the remover. So when you want to take it off, you're supposed to spray it, and it's supposed to just slide right off. So I'll come back with a review. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you next time. Make sure you subscribe. Any questions or concerns, leave it below, and I will see you guys next time.